guys. Here we are on the Aero Corkscrew at Benyland. Absolutely classic attraction. Gotta love the Aero Corkscrew. This was the very first upside down roller coaster ever. Not this in particular one here that we're on, but this model was the first ever modern roller coaster to go upside down. And today you guys are going to share that awesome experience with me. I'm so happy about it. Please be sure to leave a comment in the comment section if you wish you were riding this Aero Corkscrew right now, or just say anything you want in the comment section. Here we go, guys. Oh, oh, oh! That was some airtime. And screwing hard. We are corkscrewing. Still screwing. Woo! That's how you get corkscrewed. In Japan. All right, everyone. Hope you enjoyed that. Remember, give us a thumbs up. Write a comment, talk about how your day was, what you had at McDonald's the last time, where you're going to go next, what movie you want to see, or just generally if you like roller coasters and theme parks or elephants or whatever. See you later, everybody.